Hey everybody, have you had this situation happen to your lightning cable and you freaked out because afterwards you could not get another lightning cable into your iPad or iPhone 5S and you didn't know what to do and you couldn't quite see what was going on in there? Well, you likely broke a little piece off of the lightning cable which stayed inside of the socket of your device. So if you see over here that little tiny piece, that's actually part of the lightning cable. It goes right at the tip. You see that? And if you dropped your device while you were charging it, it's likely that that little tiny piece broke off your lightning cable, and when you pulled it off, that little piece stayed inside of the socket. And that's why when you try to plug in a new lightning cable, you can plug it in and you can get your device recharged. So what do? Well, it's actually pretty simple. That little piece is actually not connected to the device by mechanical means. So all you need to do is power down your device and take a sharp tool like this once your device is powered down so that you don't short circuit it, and you can insert that right into the power socket carefully and remove that little piece that is inside the socket, preventing you from recharging your device. Okay, pretty simple. Don't freak out, and you can get your device up and running again and recharge, and all you will need is a new lightning cable. Okay, bye bye.